Now, some of you at home may not have a rice cooker and may not care to go out and buy one. So there's another way to make rice, which is in a pot, regular pot. I like to use heavy bottom pots, but you can use whatever you have. And we're going to repeat this process. We're going to put 1.5 cups of rice. And then we're going to rinse it out. Ideally, I like to do it twice, but you can do whatever you're comfortable with at home. Okay, now I'm going to add the water, which again is 3 cups. 1, 2, 3. And then what we're going to do differently this time is we're going to put the rice on the flame and we're going to bring it to a full boil. Oops, wrong one. So you can do it on a high flame till it comes to a full boil. Once it comes to a full boil, you cover and then you turn down to simmer. And then in about 20 minutes, you might want to check it because you don't want the rice on the bottom to start to burn, which you will smell. And that's it. Perfect rice, 20 minutes.